Do you want to back up full Thunderbird profile data? If yes, download the Recovery Tools Thunderbird Migrator software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Click on Next button to start the process. With the help of this tool, you can convert emails, contact and calendar separately. Select Convert Email option to convert emails and contact folder. Select Contact and Calendars option to convert contact and calendars separately. We are choosing Convert Emails option to back up Thunderbird data. Select Configured Thunderbird Mailbox's data to back up Thunderbird Mailbox data. Click on Next button to continue the process. Select Folders for conversion process. Click on Next button to continue the process. Go to Saving option list. We are selecting Thunderbird Saving option. Click on the folder-like icon and choose the destination path of converted files. After that, click on the Next tab. After the process gets completed, the software provides a completion message. Click on OK button. Tool convert only first 25 emails in all email folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get Thunderbird emails converted into PDF file format.